Welcome to the first video from Mr. Olson's basement. E-Day 330, special right triangle ratios, exact simplified answers. So I've got a couple of ratios to go over, some problems, then you can try the homework. All right, so there's two main types of special right triangle ratios, 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90. And they have very, very specific ratios. Opposite of 30 is x, opposite of the 90 is 2x, and opposite of the 60 is x rad 3. Always, always, always. 45, 45, 90. Opposite of the 45 is x. Opposite of the 45 is x. Opposite of the 90 is x rad 2. Okay? So here we go. You'll always be provided with one number and asked to find something that's missing. First problem. So what I want you to do is start by writing the ratios. So opposite of the 30 is x, opposite of the 90 is 2x, opposite of the 60 is x rad 3. And then I always want you to set up an equation with the one number provided. Oh, x equals 12. Bingo. We're ready to rock and roll. This is 2x. 2 times 12 is 24. This is x times radical 3. 12 times radical 3. Well, that was easy. Let's try example 2. Well, the second one in example 1. Now, let's start with our ratios. Opposite of the 30 is x. Opposite of the 90 is 2x. Opposite of the 60 is x rad 3. So you can't memorize top, bottom, right, left because the triangles could be in different orientations. Here's my equation. So whatever side you're given, solve that equation. So just divide each side by radical 3. So divide by radical 3, divide by radical 3. So x equals 9 over rad 3. We don't like radicals downstairs. Multiply top and bottom by radical 3. And they get 9 radical 3 over 3. I want to simplify. Outside things can simplify with outside things. So 9 over 3 is really just 3, so it's 3 radical 3. Whew. All right, let's write that. Oh, so this is 3 radical 3. And then this is twice that. So 2 times 3 makes 6. So 6 radical 3. Okay. There's one more example for 30, 60, 90. So again, always start by doing the ratios. Opposite of the 30 is x. Opposite of the 90 is 2x. And then opposite of the 60 is x rad 3. Okay, wherever you got the provided side, write your equation. 2x equals 14. Just divide each side by 2. So x equals 7. I'm ready to rock and roll. This side here is 7. And then this side here is x times radical 3. So 7 radical 3. Okay. And now we got the 45, 45, 90. Let's see if I can... Sorry about that. Erase this work really quickly. All right, so for the 45, 45, 90, we're going to use those ratios. So opposite of 45 is x, opposite of 45 is x, opposite of 90 is x rad 2. All right, so x equals 3. That was easy. So you're just a 3. And then you're just a 3 rad 2. Okay, over here. Let's start by writing the ratios. Opposite of the 45 is x, opposite of the 45 is x, opposite of the 90 is x rad 2. Got my equation, x rad 2 equals 20. I'll write it bigger so you can see. I'm going to solve that by dividing each side by radical 2. Divide by rad 2, divide by rad 2. So I'll write it over here so you can see it. So I get x equals 20 over rad 2. Don't like that. Multiply top and bottom by rad 2. So I get x equals 20 rad 2 over 2. And then outside stuff can simplify. 20 over 2 is just 10. So x equals 10 radical 2. I'm done. 10 radical 2 and 10 radical 2. Whew! So there you have it. How to solve 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90 special right triangles.